I'd just like to welcome everybody to the Southern Manufacturing and Electronics Show 2025.
What an absolute fantastic 3 days we've had here at Southern Manufacturing and Electronics. Talking about what's going on in manufacturing in 2025 here in the UK.
It's been fantastic. Really, really busy, which is great. We've got some fantastic leads so far. There's a very broad range of customers that come.
Southern Manufacturing 2025 has been brilliant. You know, this is our first exhibition at Southern Manufacturing. We'll definitely be back. I think there's been a real buzz about the show this year. It's nice to see industry getting back up. We've had a really amazing reception off the visitors as well. So yes, 10 out of 10.
It's really, really good to be here. An incredible buzz about the place. It's really good from a manufacturing perspective to be at a show like this and to see it so full. It's one of the places where you can really celebrate the great strength and tradition of manufacturing across the south of England.
Something not to be missed. We look forward to you visiting Southern Manufacturing and Electronics. We really hope you can come and visit us.